Yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect.
Yeah, we can.
Christopher, all right, yeah.
Yeah, so good evening to all our listeners, fellow executives, and the governing board. Mecha Obi Biara, anyway. Me say Gina publicity. Uh, Oshe Ejuma yeah, during the past or the very soon to be outgoing executive winner. Yeah, Juma Bibre, yeah, but I can say they better try say be put Ghana Union on the right pedestal, as in trying to follow the constitutional rights of publicity secretary. And you know, and one I so far, though say yeah, enough for the year, but also supporting the executive body to make sure the union thrives well or gain some sort of publicity and attention and uh, ɛno ne yɛayɛ so far nti no ɛno a na meba bɛtoa so na mayɛ na mede asupporte executive body no nti no kakra a mɛtumi aka no meda
All
mo
right,
nyinaa ase
yeah, that's it. And Pacho, a question be work for Christopher now. Okay, Makion and Manins. So, Makion, please go
All
ahead.
right. Thank you very much, moderator. And congratulations, Mr. Ametepe, for putting yourself up again. I think that when it comes to timely information on the Ghana Union WhatsApp platform, I give it to you. You've been doing very well, particularly, in fact, during the time that we had these consular services. In fact, the information was flowing. It was very good. And for me, I appreciate your efforts in that direction. But I think that the publicity area still lacks a lot of things. For example, the Ghana Union publicity shouldn't be just about the WhatsApp platform. The other social media platforms, I don't see us, visible on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and all the other networks platforms that for example, the youth also use. I don't see our activeness on those platforms. And I think that if you want to really make the Ghana Union visible and to attract especially the younger generation, we should be able to, make ourselves visible on these platforms, and also other areas where we think we can make ourselves visible. So, what do you intend to do now? I'm sure we are going on the post, so definitely I believe that I know that you win. So, what are you going to do again beyond the WhatsApp visibility, which is very good? The other areas, what are your plans, and how do you intend to achieve those things? Thank you.
okay thank you very much Professor Makio. I think this your question was answered when I had my interview and I've explained, so I can still do the same here for you since this is a much broader platform. Well, as I said earlier, there's more to be done, and these are the aspects that you've mentioned already, like TikTok and then Instagram and all that. So it's going to be in place probably in the next administration. So I'm working on it, and we're going to do that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to set up my 4-member team who are supposed to support me in the publicity area, but this time around is going to be done. And the names will be given to the executive board as stated in the constitution to be approved. So that will be done in the forthcoming. Thank you.
All right. I think there's no more question, and yeah, before I wrap up, I think the medal will be biased, all the contestants. I think first of all, thank you for all you've done things professionally. It gives a good vibe to the whole Ghana Union. I pray that everyone goes out to do a clean campaign, a very professional campaign. And we hope from what has been shown today, I think the next executive is going to be a very, very competent one. So I want to thank everybody. Also, in case I abruptly said something that was not nice, or please, no bad intention meant. We just wanted to make sure we are within time and 13 minutes above 11. But we still have 42 people. That's an amazing number. So everybody who Obi Obebia, you stayed on to listen to our future leaders also. Thank you very much. And yeah, wish you all the best for the coming week. I'll hand over to a friend now to give some updates, and then well, thank you.